Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello to everybody. How's everybody doing today? I am so glad to see and know that hopefully everybody is well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to wherever you may be watching this video. I'm so excited that you are here to join me on today. I am Dr. Shell Renee, Spark Resilience on the Unbreakable You. Y'all, when I thought about the Unbreakable You, that gave me chills all over my body because sometimes, y'all, we think we didn't broke down. Like sometimes we do think that we are broken. And sometimes we are broken, like broken hearted, broken spirit, like broken so many other things. And sometimes we think that it's all over. But when I think about the unbreakable you, if you're still standing today, you are the unbreakable you, right? You are still standing and able to tell your story. So I told y'all, if y'all have been following me, you know that I went through a real bad divorce. And I shared with you guys how that divorce did a number on me. Y'all, when I tell you I had to fight back with all my might because it almost took me out. But because I'm still standing today, even though I'm bald, I lost my hair through all the stress and all the trauma, y'all, I am still standing. Why? Because this is the unbreakable you. Did I break on the inside? Yes, I had a broken heart. Yes. Did I lose everything? Yes, I did. I told y'all, I lost my income. I lost my money. My mental health was at a bad state. But I'm still standing, y'all. I lost my hair. But I'm still standing. I'm still standing, y'all. I'm still standing. So the unbreakable you came about because I'm still standing and I'm here to tell my story. And if you are watching me on today, this evening, this afternoon, if you see my face, comment. I am still standing strong. I am still standing strong. And I am the unbreakable me. Yes, right? So that's why this channel is here. It's here to come and motivate you, to let you know that you are here. You're still standing. You are above ground, right? Like we all had some tragic things that happen in our life, but we're still here. Stay positive. Don't give up. Y'all, I'm telling you, I could have gave up long time ago. I could have gave up long time ago. But it's something that God obviously want me to complete. It's something still that he wants me to complete. We on a mission, y'all. We're just not here by chance. We're on a mission. And my story, I'm sharing it with you because I want it to help you. I'm hoping and praying that it's helping you to know that you can make it. You can do it. Don't give up, man. Oh my God, y'all, better days are coming. Better days are coming. Just hold on. Stay strong. Don't give up. The Unbreakable You is an awesome YouTube channel because I'm sharing you the raw truth of my life. I'm not making it up. I'm not making this up. This is true. This is things that happened to me in my life just last year in 2024. And I'm still standing in year 2025 here to tell you that you can do it and that you can make it. Y'all, I'm loving on me so much this season At one point, I said that I was being selfish, but you know what? Sometimes we have to be selfish and we have to put ourselves first. And you know what? I'm so excited about loving me. That love yourself journal. If y'all hadn't got it, y'all better get it, because I'm telling you, I'm using that journal to help me walk through my life journey right now in this season. Doing those little bullet points in those questionnaires about loving me better. How can I love myself better? That Love Yourself journal is free. All you have to do is click on it in the bio and get your Love Yourself journal. If you have not gotten it, please get it. Get it. It will help you walk through your journey. I love you guys. I just wanted to hop on here on this day to just share with you some encouraging words, to just help you know that God got us here for a reason. It's not by chance that we're still standing. I'm praying for you today. I'm praying for you and your family that you continue to stand strong and don't give up. All right. I love you guys so much. I will see you soon. And don't forget to get that Love Yourself journal. All right. Thank you. Please like, comment, share this with some people that you know that needs to be encouraged. Replay it. Listen to it. Because I'm telling you, it will change your life. All right. Thank you. I love you guys so much. And y'all do have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you.
Here's your reminder. You are enough.
If you've been told you're not enough, if you feel like no matter what you do, it's never good enough, this video is for you.
Stay with me until the end. And if this touches your heart, hit like, comment, I am enough. Subscribe to the Unbreakable You and grab your free Love Yourself journal in the bio. It's built for days like this.
Maybe you've been abandoned. Maybe you've been rejected. Maybe you've lost love, friends, or even yourself. And now, when you look in the mirror, you don't see enough. You see failure. You see not good enough. I know that pain. I've been there. Here's the truth. You were never meant to be perfect. Being enough doesn't mean you never fail. It means you matter as you are right now. You are breathing, you are standing, and that's proof you are enough. Maybe right now, you don't believe this. And that's okay. Healing takes time. Start small, write it down. Say it once a day, even if you don't believe it yet. Because the more you remind yourself, you'll start to see the truth. You are enough. You are not broken. You are not worthless. You are not a mistake. You are enough. And the world needs the stronger, unbreakable version of you that refuses to give up.
Here's your reminder. You are enough.
If you're struggling, let this be your proof. You are enough. Say it, live it, believe it, because your story isn't over. It's just beginning.
Like this video if it gave you hope, comment "I am enough" and subscribe for weekly reminders of your strength. And don't forget, click the link in the bio to get your free Love Yourself journal. It's your daily tool to start believing what's already true. You are enough.